arrived. We're waiting for a rental. Oh, the camera's so close to my face. You're a gold member. You go straight to the lot. My name's already on the board. Look at this. Paul Pam. 14. Here we have it. 426. I got a Camaro. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we're in Arizona. Woo! First stop, the visitor center. We're gonna try to figure out what to do or where to check out. Okay, that was no help. I just bought a magnet. Couldn't buy the pass there. You'd have to drive all the way up to get the pass. But look at this sweet Camaro. Woo! Camaro. We have to park at this visitor's lot here, coming up visitor center, and take a shuttle. We're gonna do the baby hikes today because May and I are not prepared and we actually don't have too much time. But this is the visitor center, or the visitor center parking lot. We're gonna do the temple of Sinawawa. I think this is it. This is the shuttle for the temple. Pretty easy guide. It tells you which ones are easy, on the moderate, which ones are strenuous. And we're gonna do the easy ones. And then we wanna go to the temple of Sinawawa. But of course we can't do the narrows. They're actually closed right now.
Exists in the desert and a homeland for generations of native people and pioneers.
Our Creator placed us here to care for and protect this land, especially places where water, medicinal plants.
Weeping Rock.
The water is forced laterally out of the rock, creating a spring. Springs at Weeping Rock constantly drip water that nourishes delicate ferns and flowers hanging on the rocks. There are also hanging gardens at...
We're here, we're at the temple of Sinawawa, and look at this waterfall. Look how awesome that is. It looks like it's in slow motion. It's supposed to be a very easy hike. It even has handicap accessibility, but flash floods, be careful. You gotta give plants a chance, all right, buddy? I noticed walking on this hike, you can walk against the water here, or you can take an easier path. It's paved. So you get two choices. Pretty awesome. Throwing water down here. So this is how the rocks weep. You see the water actually comes down. You can see right here, it actually comes down and then over time it changes color. It's pretty awesome. Trails closed due to ice? What? I think I'm just gonna go take my chances. It's not so bad. It's an obstacle course here. This tree has fallen. Oh, we did it. Flash flood potential. I think this is the end of it. Because I think walking down this way would be the narrows. And it's actually closed right now due to flash floods. Yeah, the water is kind of fast right now. I don't think anybody should be walking through it, but this is it. We reached the end. So the park ranger totally came out and told us in the future not to cross those signs because it could be dangerous.
That's why it's there.
Yeah, I guess if you're watching this video, don't do it. Don't do it. No matter how many people you see on the other side, just don't do it. Whoa, we're getting weeped on.
Hello weeped on.
These are the Weeping Willies. Whoa. Look at the squirrels up here. They even look different. Look at the coloring. Sorry, buddy, I can't give you any food. He looks fatter, like, right? And shorter. I feel like he's gonna attack me now. It's a widening canyon. This is it. That's a pretty epic looking waterfall. This is as close as you could get to this. Look how the water looks. How murky the water looks. Oh, it's so cold. Is this water clean? Oh, it's so good. As I was walking, I noticed this counter. It says Grainland? What does that mean? There's a counter on it. Good battery indicator. If you know what this is, leave a comment below. Do not feed wildlife. It's $100 penalty. We stopped by the visitor center and there's a coin machine here. What? That's so cool. Then we get me the Great White Throne. What a nice press. Also got a medallion. Only $4 here. This is the usual $5. The second hike we're doing is the Emerald Pool Trails. According to online sources, this one is supposed to be the most popular one with the best views.
Oh, really?
Best waters. Is that what you told me?
Mm-hmm.
This is the Emerald Pools Trailhead. So this waterfall here, this is the lower Emerald Pools Trail. The bridge leading up to here is really nice. You can see the stream right here. It's amazing. So this hike is a little harder. You gotta hike up a little higher. But yeah, it's a shorter hike. Oh, we're already up so high. Look, you can see the water behind us. It's beautiful. This part's kind of cool. Got the trees kind of blocking your path. You can see a little baby waterfall right here. Kind of hard to see. But according to our bus driver earlier,
Probably come because of the rain and the snow.
oh yeah,
Otherwise it's just dry.
yeah, just what May said. But yeah, it's only here because it just recently snowed and rained. Otherwise, we're actually in a desert. We're in a desert. There's nothing, there's no water around. Look at all this mud here. This mud is like, is really good for your skin. Poo poo, man, poo poo. This is I think this is this Emerald's pool. And the trails are closed right now due to ice. We're not gonna step over this one like the last one. We're gonna follow the rules this time. We could have walked behind. Yeah. Oh wow, the view up here is even better. It's amazing. I kind of wish this wasn't closed so I can go around it. That'd be pretty awesome. But I'm gonna follow the rules this time, not do it. It's pretty awesome up here though. The little waterfalls. We found this pretty cool, kind of like carving in the rocks. It looks like you can climb inside it. It's like a little kid. We noticed there was family taking pictures up here. Let's check it out. Pretty gnarly formation in the walls. So we had to go check it out. Whoa, look at these holes. It looks like there can be a creature inside it or an animal inside it, hiding. That's a postcard right there. And that's it for Zion. We only did 2 hikes. Some of the trails were closed, and so we didn't really get to do much, but you know, we have to come back. There's so many cool things here we want to see. So much more to see. But yeah, we're gonna head to Vegas, do a show.
Trim spa, baby.
Trim spa, baby.
Trim spa, baby.
We pulled off at Fort Zion, but it's closed today. Oh man, this place looks so cool. Looks like a fort in a little town next to it.